sound. You're up, I'm down. I kinda miss having you around. You watch me fall apart, time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. Can you hear the sound of my heartbeat now? I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. Wishing we could rewind. I wanna leave it all behind. You watch me fall apart, time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. The sound of my heartbeat now. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you.
Come on, join us.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh, thank you. Wow. Learned an important lesson. Also, I need to learn bike maintenance on disc brakes.
It's easy, but it's necessary.
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Androux Herr,
Oh, you're one of the leaders of.
like Social Baltimore,
Okay, so why we do these runs?
for fun.
The fun. Okay.
Camaraderie.
Okay. Okay. We have two bike socials.
We do.
Yeah.
I got both Bike Social Lancaster in addition to Bike Social Baltimore.
And what day is that?
That's on a Wednesday night ride
Right. And what time?
at 7 o'clock in Lancaster.
Okay.
About 10 miles. A little
Okay.
shorter than this, more like bike party format up there.
Okay.
We do a little ride, a little party in the middle, and then a little after party.
Okay. All right. That's good.